What's up, Fitted Squad? This is Brad, aka Too Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. And today, I actually want to go over a few things. We have a couple events coming up. So on Saturday coming up, which today is the 15th. So I believe it'll be on the 18th of December. Is going to be the Slaughterhouse event at Ace Cafe. I believe it starts at 6. And then on Sunday is going to be Adam LZ's Invitational at OSW. They have they have a drift event going on. It's going to be on pay-per-view, so I'm going to be there. So those are two events that's coming up. But also I'm going to be announcing a giveaway. It's going to be a holiday giveaway for a $100 Amazon gift card. And my video on Monday, the 20th, that's going to be going over the details for the giveaway on how to get entered. But if you're used to the channel, you know how my giveaways go, so it's going to be basically the same. So you definitely want to stay tuned. Best way to get the notification is to subscribe and turn on your post notifications. But yeah, we're still going to be doing other giveaways and things of that nature as well. Then there's going to be a few of us probably at the Ace Cafe Slaughterhouse meet. I'll put some links in the description, details in the description for the events. If you're interested, definitely hit me up on Instagram. I won't be at the Slaughterhouse one right away because I do work until 7, but I'll be getting there shortly after I get off. But yeah, somebody was leaking here. Don't remember what was here. But yeah, about to go get the car washed. I don't know, I was trying not to with it raining, but it's cleared up on this side. But I really need to, because I don't think I'm going to really honestly have a good chance until it's time for all these events. So let's go ahead and make it happen. Alright, so it is a busy day apparently. Quite a few people here. I did remember to air up more this time. So, yeah. Typical Florida weather. But yeah, I definitely really needed it. The wheels really needed some attention, big time. Just overall, car needed re-clean. But yeah, should be a pretty dope couple of events. Finally get to go check out the guys over at Slaughterhouse. Been hearing a lot about them, so be dope to check out one of their events. And as always, be cool to see the people at the LZ Invitational. I don't know how they're going to be with recording there, with it being on pay-per-view, but I'll at least be able to get a vlog together, hopefully. So yeah, definitely stay tuned for that. I think the next time I pick up the camera is probably when I'm going to be picking the car up. So see you in a little bit. Alright, that was actually pretty quick. They said it's gonna be like an hour and a half and maybe 45 minutes, if that. Still looking good. I mean, that height is not, but we'll get that adjusted here pretty soon. Some wheels definitely needed that attention though, because sheesh, they were terrible. So yeah, I don't know what happened here or when that happened. Because this side is fine, as you can see. So I'm gonna have to get that replaced. No clue when that happened, but that is glass. Let me make sure the light still works. Alright, so it works. So don't need to be changed ASAP, but definitely gonna be getting to it. Because I'm not gonna be driving around with that. So yeah, he did a good job. Okay, yeah, so I'm not really sure what happened with that part. Yeah, that very unfortunate. But like I said, the light was working, so we are good on that end. But we'll go ahead and get that replaced here as soon as possible. This is just a quick little video kind of announcing what's going to be happening in terms of where I'm going to be for events and stuff like that. The weekly meets are probably going to be on hold for a while, so I won't be doing those videos. But I'll definitely be posting up if something else comes up like this one. Best way to stay up to date on what I'm going to be doing or going to would be following me on Instagram. Link will be in the description below. But yeah, before we end this video, the comment of the day goes out to, and if you would like to be selected for comment of the day, you can just leave a comment on the main videos and we'll go ahead and get you selected. Like I said, it's random for now, so definitely leave a comment below and who knows, you may be selected. But I'd like to thank you all for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe, and as always, stay fitted. Peace.